Hello, I'm David Weikersdorfer from the NVIDIA Robotics team. I'm pleased to announce that ISIC SDK and SIM 2020.1 are available for download. This release comes at a time when many around the world have changed the way they work and need new ways to collaborate and be productive. Let's take a look at the new features. We are using the example of delivering carts in a warehouse, which is also one of our new sample apps. First, the robot plans a path to the cart that it needs to pick up. In a big warehouse or manufacturing environment, the robot must obey traffic rules like driving on the right side of a hallway. Using cost maps, the global planner can now be customized to enable location-specific navigation behaviors. This mixes structured and unstructured driving, and the planner would still avoid unforeseen obstacles. When the robot is close to the target cart, it needs to compute its exact position and rotation. Images can be difficult to interpret, and accuracy of the estimate is key for successful navigation. With ISIC SDK, an object detection DNN is used to first detect carts. A real-time 3D object pose estimation DNN is then used to compute the exact pose of the target object. The robot needs to avoid obstacles both in front and in the back. Placing a sensor on a robot often results in occlusions, which limits its field of view. Release 2020.1 lets the navigation stack use multiple lidars to avoid obstacles and blind spots and resolve ambiguities during localization on the map. Every industry has different requirements and platforms for robotics. For example, a quadruped like the Leica can walk over uneven terrain or even go up a staircase. Thanks to its modular architecture and our message API, the ISIC SDK is agnostic to the robot platform. This means AI skills like navigation and perception can be enabled on any robot by implementing just a few key messages. But ISIC SDK's capabilities extend beyond navigation. With 2020.1, we're introducing a first set of features around manipulation. Let's look at a pick-and-place workflow that requires a mixture of object perception, arm motion planning, and task sequencing. With the new Python API, all features of the ISIC SDK can be controlled with Python scripts. For example, you could use a Jupyter notebook to show the robot desired target poses. New sample apps in combination with simulation explain how to interact with a robotic arm and perform perception tasks. Arms are a complicated piece of robotic hardware, and it isn't easy to create feasible, smooth, and safe motion trajectories. ISIC SDK 2020.1 introduces new messages and components for arm motion planning, including the same LQR planner used for navigation. Recently, many people have been working from home, and all features we talked about so far were almost completely developed in simulation. ISIC SIM 2020.1 applies NVIDIA's Omniverse platform to robotics with state-of-the-art RTX graphics and GPU-accelerated physics simulation. You can use Omniverse Connect to export engineering models from popular tools into the Omniverse Nucleo server, and build your simulation experiments using the ISIC Sim editor. Building a more robust robotics software stack means teaching it how to handle different situations. ISIC Sim 2020.1 accomplishes this with domain randomization for materials, lighting, and placement of objects. Shown here applied to ISIC Sim's warehouse example scene. ISIC SDK has come a long way since it was first launched. You can download the new release today and try out our new features for planning, navigation, localization, and manipulation, and simulate them all in ISIC Sim. Be safe and build great robots.